So I'm gapping this ring. This is the squaring tool.
It has like micro scratches.
And this is a fresh out the package.
Does it matter?
Yeah, it's gonna be real tight. It's interesting that these are so much more gapped than the top ones are.
The most important part.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is like a non-directional file. Wow, I
do it differently.
This dude puts his gap wherever he thinks I like it.
Yeah, is it not flat?
Yeah. It's not flat.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Are we actually saying right now the whole purpose is to shatter Erok's world?
That was like 10 years ago.
Was it 10 years? I thought it was like 5.
No, that was a while ago.
Show me your technique of putting the ring in again. That was like that, dude. It honestly was. That was from when we did the first ring.
He like spits on it or something.
Yeah. Right here, best ring in the whole engine.